There are some brands who always spoil me and send me these beautiful little surprises. I would really love to share my goodies from Pixi Beauty with you. They surprised me with a new product line. This, I have to admit, I'm so excited to try. This is the Super Berry Cleansing Whip, and it's blueberry and raspberry. That just sounds so incredible. Up next, there's an antioxidant tonic. This is blueberry and birch water. There's also the Roll-On Antioxidant Eye Serum. I butchered that a few times yesterday when I was reading it, but I got it. Blueberry and ceramide. There's also an antioxidant mist, which is blueberry and ceramide. And another antioxidant eye. This is another blueberry and ceramide there. The preserving eye mask goggles. I bet these are gonna look real hot. Thank you so much to Pixi Beauty for all of these surprises. I'm so excited to try them out. You can follow me on social media at the Banannie Diaries, where I will be posting my thoughts and reviews. There will always be shoppable links for you. You can find them on my blog at you can find them on my blog, thebananniediaries.com.